Do I really like the beach? No. Am I going to go there for pictures? Absolutely. I just don't want to be a part of it. Krispy Kreme. This Krispy Kreme. I don't know, should I turn on this light? Oh, I think it's better. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. If this is my first time on your screen, I'm Success, this is Carter, and yeah, stay subscribed, honey. So yeah, I think the last time you saw me yesterday was me going to like shoot something for like Krispy Kreme. Guys, that was super impromptu and I almost turned down that gig because I was just like, this is going to stress me out. It's giving stuff life. But you know what? This money needs to be made. I had to get myself up and said, you know what? We're going to make this money. We're going to make this moolah. And I did go out yesterday and I shot and edited that clip in like 1 hour. The staff was super helpful to help me, you know, do everything. At the point I even wanted to like record like voiceover. I told them, put off your music, put off all the music, and they were like super helpful. So a big shout out to them. And yeah, this is like the day after and I was just like, why waste this outfit that I put together yesterday? Let me just record like a video, sit down video moments, and that's what I did. I just finished recording it. I have to go shoot like the thumbnail now. These days I'm so efficient. Guys, give me my flowers. If you don't give me 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be real mad. Yeah! So yeah, let me go do that now and grab breakfast. It's like I haven't eaten. So yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Yeah!
Cups that are all set, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know it has been a while. It has definitely been a while since I picked up this device and recorded. I don't know. Guys, am I the only one feeling slow? I feel slow. I feel like, what the hell? I just want to stay in bed all day and not do anything. Bonus points to, I don't know if it's because of the election or what. Bonus points to this NEPA people. The light is, I can say it's 247 because it's always on. And I'm just like, do I really need to do anything else? Life is easy. Why don't I just be on my bed and just like sleep? I can't wait for this election to be over with and done so that I can move on to do other things that I need to do. Guys, I need to start going out, start working again, because the election is just stalling my activities. So let's not do that. What am I going to do today? Well, that's a very good question. I'm planning on getting some supplies today. And I'm also planning on checking out what is going on with my laptop. I don't know, for some reason it just like, okay, it actually fell, let me know, like it actually fell down and it just stopped working. So laptop is a very old laptop, but I mean, even though why you dead? So I'll check what is wrong with it. Hold on. It's like a Lenovo that I've been using for the longest time, and I don't know, it just fell down and stopped working. So I have to go check out what is going on with that and maybe get some supplies. That's basically the agenda of today. I don't have anything really planned. So yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. When I come to this section, the only thing I'm looking for here are the foxes. Where are the foxes? Where are the foxes? Oh, there they are. Yeah.
That's my one chicken pie. But you make the payment first.
Here. Do you have POS machine? Oh, there. Okay, together. So how will I know the price?
Just tell them you want one time.
Thanks. Hi guys, so I just got back from the mart and I forgot to get something that I actually needed. Forgot to get like my shaving cream. I don't know why I forgot. And then again, I couldn't get my cleanser. I don't really do too much like that because I don't know, I don't really do too much like skin work like that, but like there's a cleanser I use that actually does work for me, but I couldn't get it today and I don't know why they ran out of it. I don't know where else to get it other than Lekki, but these guys had it but they didn't have it today, so I'll just be confused. And I'm beginning to, I don't know if you can see it, I'm beginning to like break out like 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. It's crazy. I need to rescue my skin. Guys, if you know any good cleanser that I can use that is working for you, just recommend it to me. Let me try it out, because I'm not like a sucker for like just one product. I will try anything else as far as it works for me. So yeah, let me know in the description if you know anyone. Yeah, tomorrow is election, so that means I'll be indoor all day. Yay! I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just shot a video now. It was a very spur of the moment video talking about Lagos restaurant, because I've been seeing this trend on TikTok where they'll be doing the absolute most. So I was just like, why don't you just talk about him? Oh my god, like why don't you just talk about him? So I did a video of it now. I probably didn't even rehearse for the video, but I just had things I wanted to say, and I think I said it. So I'm excited. It's Saturday, election day, and I can't wait for this to be over, to be honest, because it's just giving scary. To be honest, literally giving scary. Like, you have no idea. I just don't want to be a part of it. Annoying, to be honest. So yeah, let me show my thumbnail now and grab something to eat. This sprinkles was from me like yesterday, but I don't like this shade, this flavor, because of like the onion. I mean I like it when I've eaten it, but I don't like it after. Because of the onion rubbish in my mouth. I'm just like, Chelsea, come on now. So yeah, let me go and show my thumbnail before they take the lights, which I doubt, because this thing, or even bring it like, I don't know, because that's like someone will use a phone. It's been bringing life for us since, so who am I to complain? Let me start shooting. I'm going to get breakfast. Bye guys.
Get it poppin' with the bitches in my business, got me out to choose a brand. If you see me out of public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Let your mommy screaming, but I'm sad I keep it quiet. Now I don't see out the lowest of the lowest. Cause you can keep that and nobody knows. Now I don't see out the lowest of the lowest.
Hi guys, so tomorrow is supposed to be content day, and I don't know, I'm planning to do like a beach type day. That means I will be shooting with less clothes, so I have to shave, guys. I have to shave. So I don't know about you, but when I'm going for like a beach day or anything, I make sure like I shave. I just don't like the hairy look, to be honest. I just like to manscape and shave everywhere. So I've got in me my shaving product. Hold on. And we're gonna do this and get ready for tomorrow, because it's about to be a beach day up in here. So yeah, let me go do this and see you guys tomorrow at the beach. Bye. Hi guys. Let me tell you something. I hate the feeling of being freshly shaved. I don't know what it is about it, but it's very uncomfortable. But you know, we have to get the pictures. So today's content day and I'm on my way out now because yeah, I have like 2 looks to shoot today, so I better be on my way now. I'm already late. I told them 3 and it's like 2 already, so I'll catch you guys there. I'm excited. I'm getting to have like a beach day in a long while. Do I really like the beach? No. Am I going to go there for pictures? Absolutely. I'm sweating. It's so hot in Lagos. Bye guys. I'll see you guys there. Bye.
I know that I hurt you. Yeah. All the time trying to be a man. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home. And I know I miss you. Hurry up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top. That's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like that in city parking lot. And it talks when I walk by, like you know it's so cool. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not popping. Fuck it and she going shopping. Well, I'm running out of options. They're running out of options. Put them up for adoption. Sign my name on the dot. This is not luck, baby. This no for leave, no horseshoe. I'm in the basic for you. I'm in New York on John Chechu. Supermodels and they all sexy. Lock the door to the.
Guys, thank God I just got back and thank God I've just had like a shower to literally wash away the rubbish that literally happened today, guys. Today was shit. It was, I can genuinely say that today was one of those crappy, really crappy content day. First of all, I forgot to do like basic things that I usually do before I go shoot content, like cut my hair. It was super last. It was a lot, and when I now finally got there, I now had issues paying for stuff with my bank, guys. I literally thought like UBA bank was the goals when it came to all of this, but yeah, they really showed me shege today. They showed me Pepe. I was literally stood there like, and I couldn't do anything. And still, till now, they haven't like credited me back my money. It's ridiculous at this point. Like, at the time I was using to probably like do all that stuff was taken away from my content time. So when we finally got into it, it was just, you know, really rushed and we didn't even get what we wanted. And we ended up spending more money. It was, guys, no. Today was actually really crappy. But thankfully, to the girl that helps me shoot my content, she was like, oh, she really saw the distraught in my face and everywhere, and she was like, oh, why can't we just do tomorrow? And we just like pull a few strings and just do like content tomorrow. I personally don't like stressing anybody, so when she suggested it, I was just like, you know what? Yeah, let me just take you up on the offer and just probably create tomorrow. Actually, I know, and I just pray tomorrow goes really well, and yeah. I need to go to bed now. I need to sleep. I haven't slept all day. I woke up really early, slept really late, so woke up really early, didn't have anything to eat, and faced one of the most stressful content day I've ever had in my life. And they still haven't given me back my money. Guys, good night. I'll see you tomorrow when I'm ready for another batch of content. Bye. Oh, hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. God, why am I so loud? So it's like day 2 of trying out content day, and I haven't had like content day spill over to like 2 days in a while now, so it's a bit confusing to me, but you know, we're just going to go. And the location for today is a bitch. I'm not saying, yeah, a bitch, whatever. And after shooting yesterday, I was literally very upset. Yeah, I was very upset that I thought I didn't get like any good photos. But like looking back today at like my camera roll, I actually have like some good pictures. So instead of reshooting those looks, I'm taking two entirely new looks for content today. So it's just like I'm not wasting any shoe and I'm not wasting any outfit type thing. Plus, content this day is free at the beach, so I'm not paying anything. So I'm excited. So I can't just wait to go, and I pray it turns out really well because like the sky is very blue today, which it wasn't the case yesterday. So yeah, hopefully it turns out well. Today we'll be shooting at the good beach. Yesterday we did Landmark. I don't know about you, but I actually like Landmark like as a beach because it just gives me that vibe. I've never been to like the good beach, so I was just like, oh, let's just go there, and I'm not paying shit for the entrance. So I'll see you guys there. I think I've rambled enough. Bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. I wasn't able to talk to you guys yesterday because I got back home really late. And guys, I am never ever, I would say I'm never ever like, how do you pronounce that word? Enthusiastic to kind of like stay outside after like content day. After content day, I'm literally rushing back home because my body hurts. And one thing about me is that when I'm getting that shot is a lot of athleticism in there. So I'm literally on my toes like throughout the duration I'm taking my pictures. So I'm never really, you know, happy or like yeah to like stay outside. But yesterday was different. After content, I literally stayed outside and I enjoyed myself, and I got back home late, so I wasn't able to talk to you guys, and I'm so sorry. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys how content day was yesterday. It was amazing, guys. Mirroring like what happened the day before and what happened yesterday. Yesterday was a complete 360. And to think that I didn't spend anything, I didn't spend any money on gate fee or nothing. Don't tell anybody I said so, but like I did not spend money. Like the management, they were so cool and nice to me. It was, I had the best time, and I had liberties to create everywhere. And if you know me, yeah, trust and believe I'm going to be there. There are still some spots that I need to use, so I'm going to be there. I swam yesterday and drank. It was amazing, guys. I want to go back there, but I'm tired. Well, yeah, so that's how yesterday went. I think this vlog is going to end today because what I have to do today, I have to go grab something to eat, and I have to edit this vlog for Saturday. Today's Thursday, so yeah, I can't. Yeah, So I'll edit for a Saturday, and yeah, I think that will wrap up this vlog because this vlog has been really patchy, but it's been a couple of happenings. So not the greatest, but hopefully things kick up from like the next vlog. So yeah, if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, you know, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.